now that we have our carrots, kale, spinach, and zucchini, we're gonna add a little bit of bloodworm to our superfood mix, and got some more kale here. And we're gonna use agar to smash it and keep it all together. You already got that cooking here, and here we go. So basically, if I need to add any more water, I'm just gonna use my blanched zucchini, and once it's all done, I'll pour the agar on. Here we go. This is the consistency you want right here. That right there, it will form into really nice shrimp food, and I'll put it in the fridge for a little while, and I will probably just roll it into a ball, and then I just shave it off. Alright guys, so it turns out to be this bright green color that just kind of carpets the bottom, and that's exactly what you want when you have a bunch of baby shrimp. It's really easy for them to tear it apart, and yeah, so this is what my shrimp love, and those flakes right there, so good for the baby shrimp. That is what you want. You don't want to, if you want me to just send you some, send me $10, I'll send you some of this food, free shipping. But other than that, I hope you learned something. Maybe you can make this for yourself, and have a good day.